Let me ask you this question, Jared. Be completely 100% honest, man. Were
Yeah.
you ever scared as hell about this case, like for your safety? Because we're talking about very powerful people. This is as you describe it, and I'm just thinking like, were you ever worried?
The truth is yes. And I know that people following this case, from the very beginning, they've seen the video of our process server, a gentleman by the name of Sean Lucas, who served the lawsuit on the DNC when it was first filed. And he died under very mysterious circumstances, very sudden circumstances. You can see the video of him serving the lawsuit on our YouTube channel to this day, and there's many views. But he was found on his bathroom floor with a mix of three different drugs in his body. The death has been ruled an accident by the DC coroner, but to my knowledge, no real investigation has been done into what exactly happened. And he was a young man. By the counts I've heard, he wasn't a drug user, and he was very healthy. So whenever something like that happens, it creates concern, and then you put that together with the death of Seth Rich, who many people believe that he was in fact the leaker that leaked the documents to Julian Assange, the WikiLeaks documents. Of course, he was found in D.C. He was killed in a supposedly a botched robbery, except they didn't take his wallet and they didn't take his watch, and he was walking home at like 3 a.m, and we have no information as to what happened there. I'm not jumping to conclusions about what happened to those young men, but I think whenever you have a suspicious deaths or unexpected deaths, and in a situation like that, it raises concerns, and you can't let that stop you. I think the issues that we're talking about are, too important to really let something like that slow you down. And I know that lots and lots of people, many people across the country, are making enormous sacrifices and putting their lives at risk every day. I mean, just look at the people at Standing Rock. Okay. At the end of the day, I think it's an easy decision, but I think we're living, to press forward with this, but, I think we're living in very, very unusual times. I think there is a lot of very heated discourse out there, a lot of uncertainty as to where our political system is headed. And, I think, I'd be a fool to say that these are normal times, and it's business as usual. But I guess that's a long answer to your question, Tim.
No, but I get it though, and we totally like. Well, I can say I think I speak for most of my viewers, if not all my viewers, man. We really respect what you're doing, and we really appreciate it.